In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Google Chrome browser on your LG Smart TV. Step 1. Open the LG Content Store. Press the Home button on your LG remote. Select the LG Content Store from the menu. Step 2. Search for web browsers. In the Content Store, use the search bar to look for web browser apps. Popular options include web browser or LG browser. Step 3. Install the browser. Select your preferred browser app. Click Install to add it to your TV. Step 4. Open and use the browser. After installation, open the browser from your apps list. Use the remote or Magic Remote to navigate and browse websites. Alternative: screen mirroring. If you want to use Google Chrome specifically, you can mirror your smartphone or PC screen to your LG Smart TV. Use AirPlay for Apple devices or Miracast for Android/Windows to mirror Chrome from your device. Thanks for watching. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more LG Smart TV tips and tricks.